This is the Gerber Crucial F.A.S.T, model number 30-000315. What makes this one a little bit different from the other Crucial models is that it has an assisted opening knife blade. It's partially serrated stainless steel and it's razor sharp. It's got a few outboard components on it. There's a flathead screwdriver and Phillips screwdriver with a bottle opener. Got butterfly opening pliers on it. The pliers have the pinch style wire cutters on the inside jaw. And for good looks and extra grip, there's a G10 overlay on the handle. Give you a little extra grip in wet conditions. This is the Gerber Crucial F.A.S.T, model number 30-000315.